welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today we got an episode of Prime Tech. You guys know I love making these videos, and I got another great one coming at you today. Today we've got a cell phone advertisement here. By the way, guys, I'm not paid to promote any of this. This is just the best deals I consider on Amazon, and I think these are the best buys that you guys should look out if you're looking into technology. So right here we got Xiaomi Mi 9, 64 gigabytes of storage and 6 gigabytes of RAM, which is awesome, and a 48 megapixel ultra high resolution camera. LTE factory unlocked GSM smartphone global version piano black. And you can also get it in this other color. What's this called? Yeah, just blue. It's kind of rainbow blue right there. But yeah, guys, I know a lot of you people are looking for budget smartphones. You don't always want to spend that $1,000 on the Google Pixel 3. I think that was around $1,000 when it came out. Galaxy Note 10. What was it? Galaxy S10. iPhone 10. 10s, sorry, whatever. All those smartphones, way too expensive. You guys want something more in this price range right here. This one is currently going for $372 on Amazon, and it has all the good specs that a flagship comes with at a fraction of the price. So I'm just going to go through the specs with you. Let me just look at these pictures. This phone looks incredible to me. As you can see, it's got 3 cameras right there. I'm not sure if that's wide angle, telephoto, and standard, or one of those is a depth sensor for like portrait mode. But as you can see, full HD display here, covers the whole thing. We have a little teardrop notch, similar to the OnePlus 7 Pro. Another picture right there, someone holding it. Another, is that the same picture? I think those are the same pictures. Yeah, let me just go through the specs right here. None of this is really important. Okay, so the main thing I really like here is performance. You are going to get insane performance for a device like this. You want to know why? Because it's, where does it say right here? Right here. 2340 by 1080 full HD display. So you're saying like, oh, it's not quad HD. Doesn't matter. I've been using my Samsung Galaxy S9 on full HD. It's great. 1080p displays on smartphones are way better than you need, to be honest. HD display 720p is good enough, but this is 1080p, 403 ppi. Like, if you're gonna sit here and complain about that, like, come on. And it's AMOLED. Like, are you kidding me? This is AMOLED too? It's not even LCD. AMOLED is 10 times better than LCD screens like on LG phones or even the older iPhones. AMOLED, 1080p, 403 ppi. That's really pixel dense. Everything's gonna be insanely sharp. Corning Gorilla Glass 6. Like, that's like the most recent one, I think. So the glass, it's gonna be insane. Oh, someone just subscribed. That glass on here is going to be insanely strong, so if you drop it, you're going to be fine. Glass isn't going to shatter like on the old Android devices. So yeah, camera's insane. What was this? Let's see here. 48 megapixel primary camera. We have a 12 megapixel telephoto, and we have an ultra wide. So we got the triple camera setup similar to on Samsung phones, S10 series. Gonna be amazing. And also the Note 10 I think has it. And here's the thing that's amazing right here. This line right here. This is what you want to see in a smartphone. And at this price, I don't know how they did this, because like every flagship has this, and I don't know how they got this on a phone for $370. 64 gigabytes of flash storage, so just regular storage, which is plenty enough. I don't think you need 128 gigabytes of storage. 6 gigabytes of RAM, which is plenty enough. My S9 is 4 gigs, sorry. And I don't even use that much, so 6 gigs, plenty. Obviously, Android phones aren't as good as like optimization when it comes to RAM. iPhone's better at that, but 6 gigabytes, plenty. Can't complain about that. Snapdragon 855. The 855, guys, is so powerful. From what I've heard on the internet, I have the 845 in my S9. And that's already insanely powerful. So imagine that the 855 is even more powerful than the 845. And the 845 is already insanely powerful. So you're getting an insane, let me just paint the picture for you. You're getting an insane camera. You're getting a really nice AMOLED screen that's 1080p. 1080p saves a ton of battery. 1440p will drain your battery if you set it to that. You're getting Corning Gorilla Glass 6, so really protective glass. And what is the battery life on here? We have a 33 milliamp hour battery, so that's not the highest. If this had like a 4000, that'd be solid, but 3300, I think that's big enough. That combined with the 855's optimization combined with the 1080p display, you're going to get great battery life out of this. And guys, just look at the reviews. We have 4.4 out of 5 stars for a global smartphone. Like, that's insane. This is an unlocked version, so it works for GSM. I don't know, not compatible with CDMA characters. Okay, so yeah, so it's not compatible for Verizon Sprint, which is sad, but it's available for AT&T and T-Mobile, so GSM networks. So guys, I recommend this. Obviously, you can shoot 4K, all Android phones, 60 FPS. Wow, can do 4K at 60 and 30 FPS, 1080p slow motion recording. Okay, so this is a great buy. Go pick it up, guys. Links below to go check out. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more, oh, it's also running Android 9.0 Pie, by the way, so latest version. If you guys want to see more smartphone videos, just drop a comment down below and tell me you enjoyed it. If you also loved this video, leave a like, and if you loved it even more, subscribe. I welcome all new subscribers on the channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified exactly when I upload. You can go check out my merchandise down below. I have that linked, and go subscribe to my second channel, Gaming Made Easy, if you want to go see me stream some gaming content over on that channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video.